Victory on the outside. And the fourth race. All in. And runners away. They journey off the mark for a mile, 70 yards. Straight Parade is quickly into stride. Expect More to the inside. Now takes over early on. From the outside, Misty's Dreamer, African Rain runs on fourth as they swing through the first turn. And out front, Expect More goes on to set the tone here and has opened up 4 on the field early. Straight Parade is tracking in second. At the inside, 5, Demon Bag racing next. From between horses, My Bird's wired by 2.5, African Rain. The outside at the rail, Seymour Navis. Gap of 5 to Captain Kite. Still 3 more back to Tezazati. Star of Victory follows that one. Another 4 back to Little Bit of Hope as they head on for the far turn, less than 5/8 of a mile away. Expect More has the lead, but that margin has diminished. And My Bird's Wired is right behind. Misty's Dreamer on the outside next, and Straight Parade's a snug fourth as they've just over 3/8 of a mile to go. At the inside, 5, Demon Bag follows at the rail. From the outside, African Rain. Captain Kite's called on midway around the turn they go. And Expect More is opened up once again. Expect More is clear by 3. Misty's Dreamer is in the chase now second. My Bird's Wired drops off. On the outside, Captain Kite, Fan 5 wide, top of the lane, homeward bound. Expect More leads the charge. They've a final furlong to go. On the inside, Expect More is clear by 5. Captain Kite from the outside trying to reel him in. A 16th to go, though. Expect More is going strong. Expect More trying to hang on. Captain Kite closing, but it's too late. More has won it. The top 3 finishers appear on the totalizator board for tonight's 4th race. First, it was number 3, Expect More. Second was number 1, Captain Kite. Third, number 10, African Rain. There is a photo for the 4th place position. Running time of the race, 1:44 and 52 100 seconds.